This dish is very special for today.
Rice ball, very delicious one.
Yeah, this from Japan. Today, the 2020, the Taiwan Railway Bento Festival, just the sixth time, and this is the second time and held in the Taipei Main Station. This time, we just invite lots of the domestic past stop to join this. And today, we have the 30 partners in this kind of festival. We have one is Japan, and also have the Swiss and France. This is from the Swiss, the Gracias Express, the chain. And this house, the buses is all also from the Swiss. And this is the inside the meal is like a traditional Taiwan's the food. And this is the festival, Bento Festival is the Taiwan hold. So they want use the Swiss the bus to put our Taiwan traditional foods inside this to represent the Taiwan's traditional foods. Hi, this is from the French. Yes, it's just from the foundation of the berry, and it's just all of the buses inside just the sweets. This from the Japan. It's the Japan Railway. We call this the Taipei Railway, and this Bento is from the Japan's Higashi sort of king. Bento. And all of this is the base is from Japan. And inside we have the lots of the sushi. Sushi is made in Taiwan. Yeah, this is from Japan, and it's the Japan where we call the Ichibata Testo. It's from the Ichibata Railway, and this bus is only for this kind 2020 railway.
We are west part of Japan. We call Shimane Prefecture. It's like rice ball. Very delicious one.
We have the Taiwan Railway restaurant. We have the sixth restaurant in this, and in this one we also have the 7 special limited bento from this. And now I hold this one is from the Hualian's restaurant, and this we call the Youxiang Bento. Youxiang Bento, we have the buses is the very traditional LDR 2200. This kind of cost the module. Okay, this the bento is for the 2020 and the Bento Festival only for this kind of limited the package. And also we have a traditional very like a Taiwan railway spirit in this. We call it a pork chuck bento.
During Bento Festival, we make 4,000 bento boxes.
Yeah, the bento is from the Taiwan Railway, the Taichung restaurant. And this bento also is limited edition, and also just the sale only on this festival. And we can see a lot of the ingredients in this. And so you can have the salmon, and it's the chicken. Also, we have 2 kinds of the main dishes in this, and also have a little bit of fruits and tomato, and something have the mushroom in this. And this we call the very is not only just the bento, also it's a very ingredients the bento in this. Taichung restaurant made it.
I just want to show my grandma's furong bento in the Taiwan. I want to show everybody this we're lunchbox. Have a vegetable, egg, and 豆干, 鸡卷, and 酸菜, 高丽菜, 那个咸菜. I think it's very good because I find everybody is really, really good, and I want to learn more things from them. Yeah, I want to learn from them.
Yeah, the train is from the 100 and 1960 the years, and it's a very traditional kinds of image. we can see that the train is the first day to open on this, and you see lots of the people just sitting there to eating these kind of dishes. And I also want to introduce these dishes very special for today. And these kinds of the dishes you can see as the bento boxes on this, and you see the lots of the Taiwan's the local foods to make it. And when you just eat after this, you can tell this one, go back to your home. Yeah, this the future train will have this special menu and special dishes. Wow, it's the metal box. The cover is have the Taiwan Railway's logo on this. It's a metal.
Today, the Emba Hotel created a special edition bento box for the Mingri train.
And all of these dishes, the ingredients just use the Taiwan the local foods to make it.